day today. It's plus 6 degrees, February 22nd. And so what that happens is the snow is melting. Snow is coming off the roof as well. So I gotta go shovel this out. Sun's melting things today. We're gonna need to start making some room here. I'm gonna work on this quad and get this thing out of the way. I'm still waiting for a part. I'm waiting for a new one of these. Well, just a few days ago, it just cleared customs. It was coming in from Tennessee. And we're gonna put that into the other barn because we don't need it here. Because we need to bring the other 986 that's outside. I'm hoping to bring that in this week. Because procrastinating doesn't get you anywhere. Not today anyways. Okay, there we go. That works. Never forget, eh? No. I'm going to load up that other Polaris on my workbench and start working on that. What we'll do is we're going to chain them up so that they won't spread out on us. Work. Don't think about it, just go. Yeah, let's not let that happen again. More work for me. Put the park brake on so this thing doesn't go anywhere. All right, let's park this thing in and get this thing. Well, anyways, you can see what I kind of do and how I can almost get hurt. Well, we bent these. That can be straightened out. At least I didn't break any bones. Oh, brother. My mother's son. Oh, boy. Okay. Oh, we're going to park this unit in. I'm getting... What is he up to over there? Why? Why are you doing that? What did that plywood do to you? So we're just taking the hub off. Didn't even have to hammer it out. Ooh. Where did my 16 millimeter go? Do you know where my 16 millimeter gone? We're searching now. I think one of the frustrating things about fixing is not finding your tools. These bushings actually do come out here. All we'll do is we'll just take our needle nose pliers, pull that out, and there's one on the other. So that's all it is, and then all this thing is just will pop up like that. That's all it is. So anyways, this piece is out already. So the bearings are still really good here, so I'm not going to replace that. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take this axle off. This axle is going to come out of here. It's going to come, we're going to take a pry bar and we're just going to pry it right out of there. Just got the axle out. It was very easy to get out. I just took a pry bar and got this out of here, and splines actually look very good inside. I'm happy with that. This is what we're replacing it with. We've got this other one here. They're the same length, and the rubber here was given away on it, and I could hear, and I guess it got a little bit of dirt in there, and it was started to kind of you could hear the ticking away in there. So what I did is, then I'm also looking at the splines here, if we can quite see it. Actually, the splines are kind of worn out on it compared to this one here. So this is good, really good. So we're gonna slap this axle in. Do a little tap tap here. There we go. That didn't take much at all. So we have this axle is in. Now we're just going to put reverse all the components, everything that we did there, and we will put it back together now. Well, we're going to change all the oil. We're changing all the oils, and we're making sure our flashlight doesn't go into the drain pan as well. I just want to go through everything before spring hits and put one of these boxes, which I have no clue what they do, but it makes the engine run better. And so we're just changing the oil right now. So this is something that we're doing, is we're just changing all the oils. I've drained the oil out of the front differential. And then my next step is I'm going to drain the oil out of the our rear end as well. So since I got the wheel off, it's very accessible for me to get to the plug. How you guys doing? No more white. Hello. Okay, enough fooling around. Boss is going to fire me right away. So we really need the bike. Actually, the bike helps a lot. It gets us to check fences, check cattle. When we're calving, we use the bike. Our cows are out in the field all the time. So it's something that we really need. We have two bikes. This is the Polaris that we're working on. We don't use it as much. We do use the Honda more. The Honda is a reliable machine. So are the Polarises too. I like the Honda because it's a little bit lighter. If I get into a low spot, I can still lift it up and get it out of the way. Then I'll move it over. But this one is fairly heavy, and we kind of just have it up on high ground. And it's easier for Joyce to drive this because it's almost like an automatic transmission. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put oil into the front diff here. So it only needs 5 ounces. Demand drive fluid. This is the stuff. Okay, now we're going to put oil into the rear transfer case or rear end. And we have AGL full synthetic gear case, lubricant, transmission fluid. So it takes a whole liter of this. So all I'm doing is just pumping, just put it right onto this bottle here. You know, we've got it at the level. Now we're just going to cap this off. Okay, we got new oil in there. The transmission should be happy. And then we're just going to change the oil. We're just going to put a new filter and fill the reservoir up with the oil. Well, I thought I was going to get it done. I thought I was going to have this quad all ready to go. We're going to give it a test drive to make sure that everything was good. But I stripped the threads here. I also stripped 2 nuts as well. Human error. I can only look at myself in a mirror and say human error with the stud nut. Yeah. Okay. Clean him. Well, we got our studs. New studs here, and I bought 4 of them so that I can have them and just to have an inventory. So we're gonna place these things and we'll get this bike out. We got the Honda Foreman 400. We put a whole new rear end in this one. And that came out of Georgia, I think. And this one, we didn't have very much work to do on it. We put 1 axle on it, and that came from Ontario. And we changed the fluids in it, in both of them. This is the 500 Sportsman. And I just got to get a battery for it, and I think I'm going to try to find another seat for it. Anyways, we are ready to rock and roll. Well, there they are, ready for the 2021 season. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. There's Willie. What do you want to tell everyone? And Pupy. What do you want to tell everyone?